How's everybody doing? Crypto Kev here with a little update. It's 3 p.m. Eastern time. Currently, the market is taking a dump, right? We're dropping further. Looks like Bitcoin has lost this support line for now. Obviously, we can still get back above it, but for us to still have a healthy market structure, we're going to want to really keep this, because if we don't, it's looking like a price target of around, probably around 42K. Maybe around 44K, this fib level here. So nothing to totally panic about right now. Obviously, we're dumping, right? So everybody's emotional, everybody's crazy. It's the end of the world. Bear market, bear market. But obviously, right, we have to zoom out and take a real look at where we're at, right? Let's just take this off for now. Whatever, that's not going off. All right, but regardless of that, I mean, look at our market structure still, right? I mean, obviously, we're going to want to get a bounce here soon. If we don't start to move up, we're just going to continue to drop, right? I mean, we're going to head down to the 44.5 level. We're going to head down to 42K, 41K, and then we lose that. Then we can start talking about bear market, right? And when I say bear market, I'm not talking about 3-year, 2-year long bear market. I'm talking about, the potential for another 4-month lull like we had in the summertime, right? In the summertime, we fell below our 21-week EMA. We had, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks of, basically on our 9th week, we finally started to pump again. So that was 2-month bear market. Could we see the same thing? Absolutely we can, right? I still believe that, this market cycle is going to extend out into, well into 2022, right? Mid 2022, end of 2022, earliest Q1, end of Q1 2022, which is being optimistic. But just wanted to give you an update. Down 6.63% for the day. Let's take a look at our daily RSI and see where that's at. Yeah, daily RSI still has room to go, so I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to dump. Or what we can do here is make a higher high and start to form some bullish divergence. Trying to see if on any of these smaller time frames we could see some type of pattern forming. Yeah, I mean, nothing yet. I mean, maybe some type of, maybe some type of symmetrical triangle here. I think it's being a little optimistic, but I mean, very possible, right? I mean, this is a pattern that I was noticing a little bit earlier. We got to bounce off here. Let's pull this down a little bit. Let's try and get this where it should be. Yeah, I mean, keep an eye on this range here. If we start to tighten back up and come up into this 47K area again, this is where we're going to want to get above. So, I mean, taking a look at this, if we can, let me adjust this properly. We can get back up. If we can get back up into the 47, past 47K, 47.4, start trading sideways, we can see a breakout. This does look like a classic symmetrical triangle actually starting to form out now that I'm looking at it. I wonder if anybody else is talking about this. So, yeah, I mean, it's actually a nice pattern. I mean, obviously, if we break it with the current market that we got going on this day, I mean, we can obviously fall further down to this 43K level, but looking a little oversold here on the 3-hour. I would expect a bounce here soon, honestly. I mean, 4 hours looking pretty oversold too. I don't know. I mean, we just have to really we have to just really wait and see. But for now, I'm gonna track this pattern to see if we can get something here to play out. I just want to reiterate something though. it's not time to panic yet. So I don't want to hear anybody panicking. That's the main reason I'm making this video. Obviously, I'm sorry for it being a little stumbly. I didn't have anything really ready, and there's not much to really say, but I'm just doing this so that people don't panic yet. If there's time that if it comes to a point where it's like, okay, you know, some of you guys feel like maybe you want to start selling off and you know, looking at just taking whatever profits you still have on the table, if we're going to enter into a long phase of, you know, potential bear phase, you know, I'll let you know. But that's just not the case right now. So that is not the case. When it becomes the case, I'll be the first person to tell you, because obviously on this channel, you know, I'm not here for, you know, entertainment purposes, really. I'm here to just do, you know, technical analysis and show you what I'm seeing, right? I'm not here to just tell you it's a bull market every single day, every single minute, because some of these YouTubers out there are doing that, and it's kind of ridiculous how they're getting people hurt because they just constantly say, we're in a bull market, we're in a bull market. It's like, listen, we're going to have bearish phases, we're going to have bullish phases, but right now we're in a downtrend, right? We are in a downtrend. We've been in a downtrend, and it looks like we're going to continue to be in one, but right now I'm going to track this pattern for you. I'll keep you updated on that. If we can break back above 47.3, consolidate a little bit, and then poop, get a little head back up, maybe get a buy signal, well, maybe, you know, let's see, maybe we can get back up to like 53K. Again, we're right below our right below our support, right? Is it going to act as resistance now? We consolidate below and then break down again? Absolutely, that can happen. Either that or we come back up on this next 4-hour candle, consolidate, bang, we pop back up. Symmetrical triangles are bullish patterns, but when they happen inside of a downtrend, it can break bearish. So we have to keep our eye on that. 46.9 right now. Looks like we're starting to get a little tiny bounce here, but I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like and subscribe. Obviously, this is a new channel, so you know, obviously we're just trying to make things a little better around here, trying to get it a little more fluent. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. In the description, you'll see where all my social platforms are. We have a Discord, I have a Twitter. Follow me there. I always post and publish pictures on there of TA, trying to help the community out. You guys have a good one. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye bye.